How to delete a folder on iPhone. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can delete or remove folders from your iPhone home screen by dragging out the applications. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to your home screen, and this is the folder that I wish to delete. So you're going to simply click on this folder, and you can simply wipe out these applications from here. You can either remove the application from home screen, like for example, when you click on it, like when you long press on it, you can simply click on this minus icon and it will basically remove from home screen. So click on remove from home screen, or you can simply long press on it and just put it out somewhere. So basically remove it from the folder. You can also do it for the next one, and then you can do it for the last one as well. And once you finish all of these, you'll be able to see that all of the applications have been removed from the folder, and then the folder will automatically be deleted. In the latest version of iOS, they have updated it, and you can simply long press on the folder and you get to click on remove folder, and it would say remove the folder. Removing from home screen will keep all apps from the folder in your app library. Bookmarks will be moved out of the folders. So you get to click on remove from home screen, and you can see that the folder has successfully been deleted on iPhone. It will have all of the applications. You can simply search for the applications in your app library and you're good to go. So that was how you can delete a folder on iPhone. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.